Now let us take second problem. Second problem is prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, now let 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational number. Okay, contradiction, opposite will be going. Assuming that it is a rational number. If it is rational number, it should be in the form of a upon b, where a and b are the co-primes. So HCF should be equal to 1. Okay, now let us shift this 3 to there. 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b minus 3. 2 root 5 is equal to LCM b. Okay, 3 means 3 upon 1. So, a minus 3b. Here, a 3b, wherein RHS are integers. So, a minus 3b upon b is equal to a rational number. Okay, RHS we are getting a rational number. Okay, now let us shift 2 also. Root 5 is equal to a minus 3 upon b, 3b upon 2b. Okay, here RHS, it is a rational number. Why? Because since a, 3, b and 2, they are integers. But, excuse me, but in LHS, root 5 is irrational. Okay, here, this is contradictory to our assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a rational number, because here RHS is equal to here irrational number. Therefore, 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Okay. Then next, third problem. Prove that 1 upon root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, let 1 upon root 2 is rational. If it is rational, it is in a upon b's form. A, b are co-primes. Okay, now squaring both the sides. One upon root 2 whole square is equal to a upon b whole square. So 1 upon 2 is equal to a square upon b square. This is first and this is second. Cross multiplication. B square is equal to b square into 1, a into a square is equal to 2a square. This is the third. Okay, that means b square is the multiple of 2. Therefore, 2 is the factor of b square. So 2 is the factor of, if it is the factor, b also according to theorem 1.3. 2 is the factor of b. Okay, now this is the equation. 2 is the factor of b. This is the equation 4. Now let c is equal to positive integer. Okay, so a is equal to multiple of 2. So we are taking a is equal to 2c. Squaring both the sides, a square is equal to squaring both the sides. A whole square is equal to 2c whole square. So a square is equal to 4c square. This is the equation 5. Okay, now according to equation 3, b square is equal to 2a square. So we will be taking here b. Let b here b go. We got no. We will be taking b here. Okay, b. B square is equal to. We have got here b square is equal to 2a square. According to equation 3. Okay, substituting value b square के जगह पे हम लोग लेंगे 2a square. 2a square is equal to 4c square. This is third equation. B square is equal to 2a square. Here b square is equal to, we will be getting 4c square. So in place of b square we are taking 2a square. Because b square is equal to 2a square. So b square की जगह पे a 2a square ले रहे हैं. So a square is equal to 4 upon 2 c square. So a square is equal to 2c square. So 2 is the factor of a, and this is equation 4. Sorry, this is equation 6. Okay, according to the equation 4, 2 is the factor of b. Okay, 2 is the factor of a and 2 is the factor of b also. So this is contradictory to our assumption that 2 is the factor, since our assumption is HCF of a and b is equal to 1. Okay, therefore 1 upon root 2 is irrational number.